Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We're getting close.
We're on day 10 of injections.
I think so.
Double digits. I'm super tired today. So, we just got back from dinner. We're super full. We just took our daily supplements. I'm feeling really, really swollen and sore and lots of pinching and blah. So we have a doctor's appointment tomorrow at 8 that we need to go to. So we're going to go and check on the follicles again. But in the meantime, we need to do our injections for today. So I'm doing Gonal-F. He's doing Menopur. Minotaur. Get to stabbing. Filling this one up. Get it over with.
Three, two, one. You're like,
It's just, I want to see you stab yourself.
I'm just.
If we have a spare needle,
No.
I'm gonna have you stab. You don't have to inject yourself with anything. Just stab yourself.
There's no reason for that.
Yeah, just so you can experience this.
There's no reason for this.
Yeah, if we have a spare needle. Whoa, success.
Got it today.
Alright.
Oh, got a little blood today.
Yep. So, over here to the right of this wound.
To your right.
Yeah. Over here.
One, two.
3.
Three, two, one. Alright guys, have a good night.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Good evening.
Hello. It is trigger shot night, everybody. Yay.
It's a big night.
I know. I was almost kind of emotional about it earlier. So I did my Cetrotide shot earlier today to prevent ovulation, and now we're doing our trigger shot, which will trigger ovulation in 36 hours. So it's 8:30 p.m. tonight. It's a Monday night, and then our egg retrieval is at 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday. So 36 hours from now.
Yep.
So we have 2 medications we're taking tonight. One of them is Lupron or Luprolide. We're doing 80 units of Lupron subcutaneous in my stomach. And then they gave me a second trigger because they said this is like a co-trigger item and it helps the Lupron work better. And it's called Novarel. Bink. So I will be doing Novarel, but I'm doing not a lot of it. You want me to do not a lot of it. So, yeah, I'll be mixing up the Novarel, and it's a powder just like Menopur is, except she said just leave it on the counter so we make sure it's worked enough. I have to go for a blood test tomorrow just to make sure that it's started working. Otherwise we need to take more, but yeah. So we're gonna mix these up and get going. So it is 8:30 p.m. We gotta do this.
How do we get the liquid out of that one? Okay.
Big needle, shot needle.
Okay.
Are you excited for the trigger?
So excited.
You've been dying to give me one in the tush, and tonight is your night. That sounds really wrong. Really injection of a medication. Okay, I'll move you down to my stomach.
You're killing me.
I'm fine. My favorite spot to give injections. Just right there.
Mm-hmm.
There's so many little prick marks. Go a little lower. No hesitation. It burns. It burns.
3, 2, 1. No hesitation with the actual injecting. Like once the needle was in, you were like, bam, this burns.
It burns.
You gave that was way more liquid than we've put in for any of our shots, and you put that in faster than any of our shots have gone in.
It burns. So, here's my hip bone, and I'm flipping it here. Yep.
Three, two, one. You okay?
Yeah, that actually wasn't that bad. Except I'm wounded from the front and the back. Butt injection, or in my upper butt area, actually was not that bad. It really didn't hurt as bad as I thought it would.
Cool.
So, like, the front ones hurt way worse. Okay, and one last thing, because I have so many follicles on my pants, gotta button them back up again. Because I have so many follicles, my doctor is really worried about OHSS, so she has me starting to take, oh god, where's the box? Cabergoline, C-A-B-E-R-L-O-I-N-E. So I have to take one of these tablets every single night. So I'm supposed to start tonight along with the meds. So I'm gonna take this. We're gonna take our daily supplements in just a little bit. And that's it. Share your liquid.
Have a good night.